Come on, Bruce. We'll be late for the movie.
Are you sure we can make it in time, Alfred?
Don't worry, sir. God, blimey. Where's he off?
Bruce, we're going to miss the movie.
I need my outfit. Look, Great Ghost. I have to watch it in my Great Ghost outfit.
Okay. What are we looking for?
I need my cape, my goggles, and my hat. I think I left them in the garden somewhere.
Allow me, sirs.
Thanks, Alfred. It's gotta be around here. Hey, I think I see my costume. Yes, the cape. Capes are so cool. Alfred, do you know where my hat is?
I last saw it around here, Master Bruce. Now, where on earth could it be?
And I saw you with your goggles on earlier. Right here, in the summer house. Somewhere.
Okay, thanks, Mom.
Where could they be?
I found the goggles. Now I just need to find the hat.
No need to worry. I'm rather good at finding things. Usually.
Dad, look! I found my hat! I gotta have my hat!
It's okay, Bruce. We've got time. But we need to be quick. Hey, you know there was a Grey Ghost movie back when I was a kid, right?
Yeah, I know. But it looks so old and fake now.
It's a classic. Maybe you'll appreciate it when you're a little older. Be careful, Bruce. This part of the garden isn't exactly child-friendly.
I'm not scared. You're with me. Come back, Hat. I almost got you.
Okay, Bruce. Grab it and let's get going. The movie starts soon.
Yes. There you are.
Bruce! Are you okay?
Are you all right, Master Bruce?
Bruce, we're here. We'll be okay.
Read all about it! Falcone gang crime spree in Gotham!
Let's avoid these crowds and cut down Crime Alley.
Is that a good idea, Thomas? I think it's called Crime Alley for a reason.
Okay, lady. Hand over the purse and the pearls.
Dad, he's got it.
You ever dance with the devil in the pale moonlight? Come on, Jack. Let's go before we're recognized. Hi, Mr. Falcone.
Nice to see you, Mr. Falcone.
Hey, it's okay. It's been 10 years.
Anniversary of Wayne tragedy. Still no one arrested. In completely unrelated news, Falcone walks free. Again.
What chance does Gotham have when the good people do nothing?
This guy's above the law. Whole city's living in fear. Hey! Thanks, mister!
Bruce Wayne. The little rich kid.
I want to see Falcone.
There's some kind of problem, Mr. Cobblepot.
Everything seems to be under control here, officer. Lighten up. Haven't you heard of the healing power of laughter?
You okay, kid?
See Mr. Wayne out, will you, boys?
These guys need to pay for what they've done.
But you're not talking about justice. You're talking about revenge.
What chance does Gotham have when the people do nothing?
I'm terrible with names. Sorry.
It's the Wayne kid!
You ain't getting anywhere near Mr. Falcone.
You're on borrowed time now, pal. I saw that.
Get the rich boy!
I'm going to show Falcone. Gotham is...
You got spirit, kid, I'll give you that. More than your old man, anyway.
I came here to show you not everyone in Gotham is afraid of you.
Only those that know me, kid. Look around you. You'll see 2 detectives, a cop, and a judge. Now I wouldn't have a second's hesitation in making you beg right here in front of them, like a dog. No offense, Mr. Twinkle Toes. Now, that's power you can't buy. That's the power of fear. Should have tipped better.
Mr. Wayne,
Who are you?
my name is Raz Al Ghul. I have a particular set of skills. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like Carmine Falcone. I can offer you a path. The path of the League of Shadows.
Sounds like a metal band.
It's a league. If you make yourself more than just a man, if you devote yourself to an ideal, then you become something else entirely.
And that is...
A legend, Mr. Wayne. There is a rare blue flower that only grows on the peaks of Nanda Parbat. If you can bring it to me...
I can join your band?
League! The League of Shadows.
seeking a rare blue flower.
A rare blue flower that only grows on the peaks of Nanda Parbat?
You know of the League of Shadows.
I will find the flower first. You can barely use that thing.
No, wait!
The blue flowers grow towards the top of the mountain. You'll never make it that far.
We'll see about that.
Whoa! So, you're here to join the League of Shadows.
I am here to fulfill my destiny, not to make idle chit-chat with strangers.
Fine, be that way. But you may need my help out here.
I can't think of a single possible circumstance where I wouldn't prefer the help of a yak.
That was unnecessary.
Look out!
Landslide!
I guess not everyone makes it to the top.
The yaks do.
Those bricks could be just what I need to build with.
Guess I'm getting the hang of this grapple. You can do this. That was way too close. My name is Bruce. What's yours?
Talia, though you shan't be using it much. Once I have that flower, you'll never see me again. Blue flower!
And that goat's gonna pick it up for us. Thanks, buddy!
Oh, useless ungulate! Oh, we must keep climbing. Hopefully, there's another flower at the summit.
It's we now, huh?
Come on, Bruce. For justice, for Gotham, for some reason I just looked down.
Let's split up. See if you've actually learned anything.
Oh, you want a race? You got it. I wonder what Alfred would say if he could see me now. Core blimey, Master Bruce. It's proper chilly up here. I win!
We weren't racing, you buffoon!
There's no way our grapples will get us across that gap, especially not in this storm.
Ah, giving up so soon.
Maybe I ought to build something here.
Well, this is a totally normal way to climb a mountain.
Let's get this over with.
Hold on. We're alive!
Don't jinx it!
This storm's getting pretty bad!
It is just another obstacle that must be overcome!
Talia, hold on! Ow!
Let's pretend that didn't happen.
I guess hooves aren't great for starting fires. Let me help. Stay toasty, brother. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. This will take both of us. Come on. Are we close? Is this where the blue flowers grow?
Oh, enough! I am not your tour guide! I am here to fulfill my destiny!
What if joining the League of Shadows is my destiny too?
Ha! Fate would not be so cruel!
A blue flower! Up ahead! Huh?
But we both need a flower to access the temple. There won't be another for miles. Huh? Huh?